Hello, this is Lenny. Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
Is this Robert?
Yes.
Okay, Robert, my name is Bill. I'm with Verde Energy. You're a discount supplier for the PP&L account. And the reason why I'm calling is your discount has expired. I would like to renew that for you. So to bring the rates back down on your electric bill. And you're also going to receive a rebate for $75. Do you remember when you originally signed up with PP&L when you did that verifications recording on the phone line?
Oh, good. Yes.
Okay, we need to do that recording again. Could you grab a piece of paper and a pen, please, so I can give you your PP&L account number? Sir?
Oh, yes. Someone did say last week. No, someone did call last week about the same thing. Was that you?
Well, did you do the recording on the phone line, sir? Let me see here. Sir, did you do the recording on the phone line?
Yes.
Hello?
Sorry, what was your name again?
Okay, I'm pulling up your account right now to see what's going on.
Well, it's funny that you should call because my third
yes, sir. That's
Larissa. She was talking about this just last week, and
okay.
She is very smart. I'll give her that because she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed with distinctions.
Well, that's great.
We're all quite proud of her. Yes. So she was saying that I should look into this sort of thing. So what more can you tell me about it?
Okay, well, starting next month, you're going to get a discount, a reduction on your electric bill of up to 20%. And you're also going to receive a rebate for $75. It's a 12-month fixed rate, so it can't go up, so you won't have to pay the increases later on this month from PP&L for the winter, and you won't have to pay the increases for this coming summer. All we have to do is a recording verification on the phone line of you accepting it, and it's done. It only takes a couple moments of your time. All you need to do is grab a piece of paper and a pen, please.
I'm sorry, I couldn't quite catch you there. Well, what was that again?
All I need you to do is grab a piece of paper and a pen or a PP&L bill. Sir?
Sorry, again?
All you need to do is grab a piece of paper and a pen or an electric bill.
Could you say that again, please?
I need you to grab a piece of paper and a pen or an electric bill. Sir?
Yes.
Are you going to... Sir, I need you to get a piece of paper and a pen or an electric bill. We have to do that recording. Hello, sir.
Sorry, which company did you say you were calling from again?
Sir, this is for your PP&L electric bill. I'm with Verde Energy. You signed up with us for a discount. Your discount's expired. I'm calling to renew it.
Well, you know, here's the thing, because the last time that someone called up and spoke to me on the phone, I got in quite a bit of trouble from the people here because I went for something that I shouldn't have. I probably shouldn't be telling you that, but yes, I think my eldest, Rachel, she wouldn't speak to me for a week. Now, you know, that happens, you know, but that really hurt. And sometimes in family, you know, these things are quite important. You know, they're more important than any, you know, job or phone call or whatever it is.
Yes, sir, but you've already done this, and you just told me that your oldest that graduated college said that you needed to take care of this. That's what you just told me. You just told me that, sir. And that's what we're trying to do, is get it taken care of for you.
Well, yeah, since you put it that way, I mean, you've been quite friendly and straightforward with me here. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Oh, yes. Sorry, I have a bit of a problem with this phone, and my hearing is not so good. Yes. Sorry, what were you saying again?
Sir, you have a good day. Thank you.